And here we are at the Blue Hole in Santa Rosa. It took us a little bit to find it. We kind of got tangled up in some of those back roads back there. It was a little difficult to find, and you can see why, because this is just a small little spot, but it goes down 81 feet, and it's pretty crystal clear from what you can see, but you're not going to see all the way to the bottom because it's so deep. But it looks like under normal circumstances you can actually swim in here. They have a little diving area there, they have a cliff jumping spot up there, and this is actually a very world famous spot to scuba dive. So you can actually, anyone, if you have a license or the credentials to scuba dive, you can make an appointment, you can come here and you can dive to the bottom. It's only about 52 degrees out right now. I'm in a sweatshirt and I can't imagine how cold this water is. Spring water is usually very cold under normal circumstances, even on a hot New Mexico day. So a day like today, it'll be really frigid. Walking the plank here. Going out. Straight down. We're gonna take a walk up now to this cliff spot here and see what that's like. See what it's like to cliff jump here in the summer. Just a very understated spot. You see just cactus growing there. It's fenced over with barbed wire. It's a small little house right there, a little shack. And then there's just this little hidden gem here in the New Mexican desert. This looks like it would be a blast here. And just jump off as many times as you want. That's probably about 8 feet down to the water, so that's a pretty sizable drop. You can definitely have a lot of fun doing that. You could probably go off those rocks too. Those look a little more treacherous, but more danger comes a little bit more fun. So just make sure you get out, because there's rocks sticking out from the bottom there. These gates would normally be open too, and you'd usually be able to just walk right in and swim and have fun, because there's actually a drop off there, but it's not 81 feet. It's probably only about 7 or 8 feet. So that's pretty manageable and a lot safer. Public swimming hours. So yeah, you'd be able to come here and swim whenever you want, basically. Must be able to swim on your own. And so that overflow there is actually pumping out 3,000 gallons per minute from that blue hole so that it doesn't overfill. That's a lot of water. And you notice how crystal clear it is. That means it's natural and very cold. Outflow 3,000 gallons per minute. Water temperature 61 degrees. So it must be constantly 61 degrees if they have it permanently etched into the sign. That's cold. There's some of the geology of it. Okay, so it's, yeah. The water's supplied by, I guess, different cave passages here. And it actually goes down to 200 feet. And that's gonna wrap up our stop here at the Blue Hole. It would be a lot longer if it was warmer out and we could swim. We will look for something else to stop at, and it's time to go back to the car.